Hello
Hi
guys,
Cora.
how are you all?
Hi.
Welcome to the Shining Traveler channel. Today I'm here to showcase a different tradition of Assam where a community considers cactus as their god. Along with that, many other things have been explored, so do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. See these huge cactus plants, they worship this cactus plant and they have kept a hedge and the flowers have kept near to that. We are having Mr. Basumantri, he is explaining about this. Let's hear.
ৰাং ৰাশি গৈ ৰাশি মৈথা ৰাশি বুলি কয় আৰু বড়ো ভাষাত আৰু আমাৰ ভাষাটো হ'ল বেলেগ 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 আছে কিন্তু ব্ৰহ্মা বিষ্ণু মহেশ্বৰী আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা এবাৰ ধৰক ডাল ডাল আহি গ'ল এইকেইটা কিছুমান বা ধৰক বা লক্ষী নাৰায়ণ এনেকুৱা বা ধৰক বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ নাম আছে আৰু আমাৰ বড়ো ভাষাত বা ধৰক জেখা বুঢ়ী বা এমাও বুঢ়ী ঠিক এনেকুৱা এটা এটা ভাগ আছে আৰু মানে এটা এটা গুৰু আছে আৰু
আরে মূর্তি পূজা না করায়
মূৰ্তিটো প্ৰায় আমাৰ হেৰিত নকৰে আগতো নাছিলে মূৰ্তি পূজা কৰা হিচাপত আৰু
আগত কি কৰিছিল এইটো গছ
বা
বেলেগ গছ আছে
সেইটোৱে পালন কৰিছিল.
So you can see how in simple manner they construct temples and you can see the items which they have used for that puja. The most best thing in Assam is that you can find the hedge or the fence made out of bamboo and it is surrounded by beautiful environment, greenery, everything you can see only in Assam. So see the road condition, it's also very good. That is also one of the best thing you can see in Assam. So now we are moving towards one big field is there, mustard field. So here we go. You can see the yellowish garden, it looks like a garden of mustard. So the normally in Assam, if you see, for everything they use mustard oil. So for their dishes they use mustard oil. So the in the stem you can find mustard seeds which are dried and they use it for their recipes. They take oil, mainly they take oil, and you can find this commonly you can find. I think you might be knowing many Bollywood films have shot in the field of mustard. I think you have heard about the DDLJ movie. In that, Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan dances for a particular song. I think I forgot that song. And many Bollywood movies and many Indian movies, like other language movies, also shot in mustard field. So because of the yellowish color and yellowish and green, it can be a good combination.
এপলা এই দিয়া এটা দিয়া কি কৰিছা এইটো
বাদুৰ
কেনেকৈ ইউজ কৰিছা কোৱা
শিকাৰ খেলি
শিকাৰ
And this is the hospital of this village, Sakya Supri. A small PHC they have constructed. So in its stem you can find these small seeds. You can find those seeds and which are dried and used for making oil. Just now I came to tea garden. You can see this tea garden along with arecanut trees. It's most common thing you can find in Assam. So let us take some leaves. See these buds are used and they are powdered and they are dried and sold for final consumption. So that's how you can see the beauty of Assam through this way. The most common vehicle which we use in Assam is obviously that cycle. So there is no differences among people to ride cycle. He may be rich or poor, there is no such difference to ride cycle. So that's why we are moving towards to see Shiva Temple, and we'll see how does it look. And you can see the Assam's beauty by fields. It's surrounded by field only, everywhere field. Village life means it's field of dhan, or what do you say, paddy, and other vegetables also they grow, but they have harvested now. And you can see a small temple of Shiva which has no walls or gopura, anything, nothing it has. You can find this, and that shows how simple life in Assamese villages, and how they have enriched their culture through this way. That's the beauty of Assam, and that's why we say unity in diversity, with different culture, different traditions, everything. So here we end this video, and we'll meet in next video. Thank you.